Eraniire ati thirikali niinyitetie muthiori gutigiriria ati andu aria othe maratathi mao makoretwo manyitetwo ni ruhonge ruu nimakorwo makirekererio na njira ya naihenya. Muthenya wa umuthi Akialia ari kuria kauntaini ya mombataha eraniire gutigiriria ati turia nime tuothe na turia turi sector-ini ino nitwakorwo tukihurana natwo guku, akiuga ati nimariikitie guikia ngono ekuirwo na aria makoretwo makiugumia muingi na makiria ministiini ino ya Thama, akiuga ati ona aria mari na ihitia kana aria marathi na mbere na gutigirira ati amaria mari na muoroto wa gutigirira ati nimekwo thiko ciao ne ndare maya mokete. Ire minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Professor Mwandiki ugite ati ne gutigirira ati kana mari ta thirikali nimetigirira ati nimathambia na gutheria ruhonge rwa Thama guku bururiini.
Nataka kuambia wa Kenya sasa nyao ziko clean, hakuna maneno ya kutumia broker. Kuja hapo within a very short time utapata passport yako bila kusumbuliwa. Most recently, we were able to arrest some of the people who are actually frustrating Kenyans who are trying to get passports in Nyayo House. So I want to assure the country that services in Nyayo House are going on well. Right now, we are producing about 3,600 passports per day. And I want to say the backlog which we had, which was about 100,000, has now been reduced to about 1,000. And in the next 2 weeks, there will be no backlog of passports in our house. So I want to say there's a lot of work going on with all arms of government, with the legislature, with the executive, to ensure that there's a proper cleanup of our house. So, and that going forward, applying for a passport will take you a maximum of 7 days to get. And we are saying, even going forward, we believe that it is even possible to get a passport within 3 days. We are going to introduce services like express services to ensure that Kenyans are able to get passports on time.
Haya, tukithia ripoti-ini ingi ya kihana maithori-ini ati